In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your course library on Udemy, specifically focusing on how you can archive courses you're no longer actively engaged with. This simple process will help keep your Udemy dashboard neat and organized, letting you focus on the courses that matter most to you at any given time. Let's dive right in to see how you can do this effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to head over to Udemy. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply look for it in your bookmarks if you've got it saved. When you land on the Udemy homepage, make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personalized content. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the web page where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on My Learning, which is typically located at the top of the page. This section holds all the courses you've enrolled in, providing a convenient snapshot of your educational journey. Now, as you review your list of courses, you may notice some that you completed some time ago or ones that are no longer relevant to your current goals. To start cleaning up, locate the course you want to archive. It's a good idea to have a mental or written note of what courses are on your priority list, because archiving or removing courses that still hold value might disrupt your study flow. Once you've decided on a course to archive, look towards the right side of the course title. You'll see 3 dots, often referred to as the ellipsis or the More Options icon. Clicking on these dots will open a small drop-down menu, giving you a range of actions you can take regarding that particular course. From this menu, you'll select Archive. This option helps you move the course out of your immediate view, tucking it away neatly without permanently deleting any progress or access you have with the course. Archiving is particularly useful because it allows you to declutter your main learning panel while keeping the option of revisiting the course later. And there you have it. You've successfully archived a course on Udemy. This tool is a fantastic way to ensure your learning environment stays organized and aligned with your current academic or professional goals. Remember, you can access these archived courses at any time if you decide to revisit them. Just make sure to look under the Archive section in your Udemy account to access them again. And that wraps up our simplicity guide on managing your Udemy learning path efficiently. Thanks for tuning in and keep on learning.